is there any evidence that Homo heidelbergensis lived somewhere in the
Ah,
Middle East? I know different scholars they debate where the Garden of Eden was, but I think from what I've read anyway, they all seem to be pretty much in agreement that the Garden of Eden was not in Africa. It was somewhere in the Middle Eastern
right.
region.
These out of Africa theories of human origins are talking about the origins of Homo sapiens. Our species migrated out of Africa. But prior to the origin of Homo sapiens and Neanderthals, Homo heidelbergensis was all over the place. Ian Tattersall of the American Museum of Natural History has characterized him as a truly cosmopolitan species, so that he ranges throughout the Middle East, through Europe, Asia, and into Africa. And what happened was that as Homo heidelbergensis migrated down into Africa, his descendants evolved into Homo sapiens, whereas in Europe, his descendants gave rise to Neanderthals. And eventually, those Homo sapiens would migrate out of Africa and begin to mate with Neanderthals. So that before all that, you have Homo heidelbergensis, who, as I say, was not restricted to any one of those continents.